And we're back. We got a super nice little trade-in for you folks. 2007 Jeep Compass, and it's a four-wheel drive. Pretty well loaded up with the fog lights, the alloy wheels, privacy glass, luggage rack. It's got a perfect Carfax on it, and it's a solid straight little piece. Again, just came in on trade. We sent it out for its service and safety inspection. Factory trailer tow package on this. Switch off four-wheel drive. AM, FM, CD, cassette. Automatic transmission. Ice cold air conditioning. Nice little piece. 3 months, 4,500 miles over the complete drive line. That's a warranty through DasCleveland.com. Going to be over the powertrain. Guaranteed credit approval, yes sir. And we're going to be at a $595 starting down payment on this little Compass. Great little piece, perfect Carfax. Guaranteed credit approval. DasCleveland.com.